everybody, my name is Felipe Bueno. Today I am going to prepare a delicious and healthy snack, fruit popsicles. 1 cup of kiwis, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of blackberries, and 1 cup of orange juice. First, each mold is filled with fruits. Second, pour the orange juice into each mold. Third, freeze them until solid, about 6 hours. Enjoy the hot summer with a cold snack. Delicious! Bye!
I'm from X, you're from Y, perfect strangers in the night. Here we are, come together, to the world we'll testify. Our hearts alive.